don't know how this thing works, but I'm so sorry. Here is very echoey at the moment, so still a whole lot of construction needs to be done right at this studio. But I don't know how you make a tablet right here. Look at that. A tablet like this, now giving it the future of a projector. Also Android all built inside of this. I love this. For the fact of this part, I mean, it's well strong and firm. Yeah, I mean, strong and firm, it's nice. And you can balance it just about any way you want to, and pretty much get your work done inside of it. This is a product of Lenovo. I mean, this is just a dummy. I mean, a friend gave it to me, but doesn't work. He said he has been using it and gave me much of the features which was built inside of this stuff. I'm hoping to get my hands on this particular product, especially, and see what is built inside of it. So we got this button right here. When you press it, it just clips out, and then you can have it open just like this. And then we have a camera right here to take nice creative pictures. I mean, it's nice. I love it. I love it for the fact that you operate more like Android user. It's built with JBL inbuilt speaker. I love it, but I'm not a fan of JBL. Yeah, but Lenovo with an Intel inside of this. Look at it. Intel inside of this. It's beautiful, and I love what they came up with this, but I just haven't gotten my hands on this thing to operate it and see what the whole function is like. So this projector is what I really wanted to see how it works. I really wanted to see the function of this projector, and we pretty much got a button right here, which is a power button, I believe, and a volume down button, volume up, volume down button, headphone jack, the usual USB charger, and also we've got, I think this button is actually the projector button where you can just easily project. But I'm confused. Maybe you just project what is showing on the screen. Yeah, I think maybe so. You just project what is showing on the screen, and then maybe you can play a movie and just watch it on the bigger screen. I think so. I mean, I believe so. That's how it should work. And it has a front camera, which makes it even easier. And I think the people who produce this product like this are more of Windows. Yeah, Windows produce product like this. Hoping to get my hands on product like this and pretty much see what it can do. If you have used a product like this, consider leaving a comment below. I mean, I would love to hear what you have to say about this product. If you have come across any friend or anybody who has used this product, I mean, it's gonna be a great thing for me to see in the comment section how this device really operates, and I'll be glad if you tell me. So that is it for today's video. If you are joining me for the very first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button, turn up your notification. This will be highly appreciated. For now, I will see you in the next video. Peace.